Hey everyone, this is Carmen. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a review of Conversion.ai. This is a copywriting tool I was recently shown by one of my friends, Evan Pappas from Wise Media. It's essentially an AI-driven copywriting tool. And I was a little skeptical when I first came across it because I've seen these tools before, and I personally believe that nothing can really replace that human touch when it comes to writing and copywriting. But I have to say I was actually pretty surprised and enough to make an entire video on it. I'll be showing you what this tool is, how to use it, and how you can get started. All right, so we're on the homepage for Conversion.ai, and you can see it says, let Jarvis, that's the name of the AI, write your love letters, sales scripts. It kind of just goes through different things. Use AI to write proven high converting copy for increased conversions and higher ROI. Instantly generate high quality copy for ads, emails, websites, listings, blogs, and more. And then it looks like there's a little VSL here. Join over 4,000 copywriters, entrepreneurs, and agencies. Some pretty big names have actually used Conversion. Frank Kern, Client Boost, Boss Babe, Scott's Close, Online Sales Pro. Tons of testimonials here about people saving time and just enjoying the tool. Jarvis, your new AI copywriting assistant. They're also backed by Y Combinator. That means they have some venture capital and some serious kind of power behind them. Save hours writing clever original content and writer's block forever. Generate dozens of relevant headlines, perfect grammar, simple to use, translate into 11 different languages, easily adjust the tone of voice to your brand's voice. It's mostly for entrepreneurs, marketers, and agencies. So if you fall under any of those categories, whether you're growing your own business, you work in a business and you write the copy, or maybe you're a freelancer, this tool is going to help you. Now let's see what it can actually do for us. There's the ADA framework, PAS framework. It can make product descriptions, blog post ideas, blog post outlines, content improvers, sentence expanders, blog post intros, Facebook ad headlines, Facebook ad primary text, Google Ads descriptions, Google Ads headlines, Amazon product features, descriptions, website subheadlines, perfect headlines, photo post captions. So literally a couple dozen different things it's going to write for you automatically. And I was skeptical just like you. And one thing that's even more amazing is the pricing. This tool right now is only $29 a month US. Absolutely insane. They also have some kind of premium version I was hearing about that they only allow a certain amount of people to use, and it'll fully automate your blog posts and longer pieces of content and copy. And also with this price, you get 20,000 words generated with AI per month, which is a lot. Odds are you're probably not even writing 20,000 words per month. So it gives you everything you need here. 30 short form copywriting templates, 10 team members, unlimited folders, 11 languages, chat support, and a copywriting community. So now let me show you the back end. All right, so I'm logged into Conversion.ai. If you come up to the top left, you have your projects tab where you can see existing projects or create new ones. You have the dashboard, content, learn, and credits. And now you automatically land on the template. So I want to show you something pretty crazy. If we wanted to do a blog post outline, if you're a blogger, you offer that as a service, we can type in a topic here. So I'm going to say 5 content marketing strategies. And then for the tone of voice, you're essentially going to type in different words that would describe how you want the voice to come out. And a really cool thing is you can actually put people's names in here. So for example, if I put Neil Patel, casual, friendly, and fun, it'll essentially use that to write the outline. Output language, I'm going to do English. Of course, I think if I leave it blank, it'll do English. And then down here, make sure to put one output unless you do want several. Sometimes what I made the mistake of is I'll leave it at the 3, the default, and then it generates a ton of copy I don't need, and that takes up the word count you have every month. Generate AI content, and look at this, instantly insane. And look at that, it gives you instantly a little tiny blog post outline, create a content calendar, share your knowledge with others, write blog posts that are helpful to your target audience, use social media for marketing and promotion, include links in all of your content. How amazing is that for something that just in literally one click of a button just generated it? All right, but that's like a really simple example. Let's actually go back to writing maybe like an ad or something with a template. Let's do something a bit more impressive. Let's do, hey, we're on YouTube right now. Let's do a video script hook, an introduction. Video title, The Ultimate Guide to Website Copywriting Strategies, Tips, and Theory. Just pretend we're making a video on copywriting. And we'll say tone of voice, fun, casual, personal. And then one output, generate content. Let's see what we got. Hook. In this video, I'm going to share you the strategies, tips, and theories of writing great website copy. Introduction. Hey there, my name is, enter name. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to write good web content. You might think that's not difficult, but if you're not careful, you can end up sounding like a robot or your words won't have any impact on people. so-and-so. How amazing is that for something that was generated that quickly? It reads well, and of course you will have to edit it a little bit and customize it, but compared to anything I've used like this, there's nothing even close. It's actually scary how good the copy is when it comes out. Now, I've only had this tool for less than a week and I'm still blown away by it. I'm figuring out different ways to combine the different templates here and also find ways to use it in my daily life as a copywriter, running an agency, growing my own side of the business, growing my clients' businesses. There's so much potential with this tool. I had to make a video about it and show you guys. Super impressed with it. For $29 a month, absolutely a no-brainer if you can afford it. But let me know down in the comments if you're going to use a tool like this or what your thoughts are on platforms in general that automate copywriting. Is it a yes? Is it a no? Going to try it out? Let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe if you're new to the channel if you want to see more copywriting content. Hope you're having a great week, and I'll catch you in the next video.